Hello, people. So, guess what? And yes, it's a bad camera. I do apologize. But it's my Cockatiel's 28th birthday, and I thought I'd open the surprises for now. So, he's sleeping. Yes, it's dark. Let's see. I hope you guys are okay. So, what did I buy for my cockatiel? Well, first of all, a lava lamp. Soothing, whatever. The best thing, which he hasn't seen yet, he doesn't like new things. Let me just do something. Wow. Yeah. Fishies everywhere. He likes fish. Also got everything. Benji. Benji. Oh, this is stupid. I need to put a light on, don't I? Don't I? It's just the lights. Wow, that's so cool. Oh, maybe I should have put it that way. That takes a while to cool up. And I'll post another video about how Benji reacts. He's in his baggies. His birthday is not until the 20th though, but I thought that I'd show you guys first. I think it is absolutely... Oh, okay, yeah. You shouldn't have saw that. But anyway. So... Yeah, you'll be in the Guinness Book of Records. I'll turn the light on, see what you think. Or should I not? But don't worry, there'll be more videos to come. I've got more surprises for him. I hope you guys are fine. I need a new phone. My goodness. Anyway. I hope everyone is okay. It's snowing here. Anyway, thank you guys. Wow. I don't know whether that's for me or... Ooh. Oh my gosh. Benji, I love you. I know you're wriggling around in that baggie. Sorry. I'll do another video very soon. Subscribe. Yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.